This is the point what I told you. There are some alphabets. The figures is somewhere in between heaven and earth. Now if the report is coming.
देखिए बताइए यहाँ पे जो वर्कशॉप हुआ क्या लगा आपको आज इस वर्कशॉप में फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड है।
मैं डॉक्टर शहनाज टेंग हूँ, एक्स हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट एंड प्रोफेसर गायनी एंड ऑब्स्टेट्रिक्स गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज श्रीनगर। तो ये जो वर्कशॉप है दिस इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल इन एजुकेटिंग and emancipating both the students as well as the gynecologists and radiologists to serve the patients better, because ये जो Doppler है it has revolutionized the concept of maternal care and in reducing the fetal mortality and morbidity drastically. Management है एक pregnant woman की और उसके well-being of her baby is now almost seems now impossible. We are incomplete without this knowledge. So आज का जो था ये CME, it's a wonderful step towards emancipating the doctors as well as the students to help the community and to help the women to achieve the joys of motherhood with optimum care.